Hey guys, I'm Andrew from getterbots.com, and in this video I'm going to show you uh, the software called Orange Trainer. Uh, well, the title is just something it's basically I've put it Orange Trainer because I'm training orange objects with it. So basically the software is like a helper for the OpenCV library. If you don't know what OpenCV is, it's a machine learning software library. It has interfaces for C, C++, uh, pretty much everything, and it does it's basically it's working with images and objects and this kind of stuff. So I'm going to go into too many details, but if you haven't checked OpenCV out yet, you should definitely check it out on opencv.org. So now let's say that you know what OpenCV is, and let's say that you want to create in the end a cascade file, just so you can use it in your software and recognize whatever object you want. So basically, to do this, you will get at a point when you will have the images with your object, like my case, and um, you will need to create the info file, which looks like this. Again, if you if you if you don't know what OpenCV is, you should definitely check it out. And this is what basically, if you want to create a software that recognizes, I don't know, let's say cars, you need a lot of pictures with cars and a lot of pictures without cars. So here are my pictures. These are not the best pictures that I could show you, but these are some positive pictures. So in my case, I'm trying to create a software that will recognize orange. So here are the negative pictures. Yeah, these are too small indeed. And at the end, you will need the background file, which contains the negative pictures, and a positive file like this one, which contains, just like the background file, the file name, but here also some other things. Yeah, this is just a mistake. So yeah, it's a wrong info file, but you can just take it like this. So this one, you can see it's one on all three images, means that it's just one object in this image, and the coordinates, I mean the left left top corner of the image of the object starts at this point xy in this image, and has this width and height. So basically, you will get at a point where you need to create this file, the info file that contains this, the file name and the coordinate. So I've when I got to this point, I didn't have the software to make this happen without checking each image and checking the coordinates and writing the file and all that stuff. So I just wanted something really easy to do this. I found about this software, Image Clipper, but I couldn't install it on my machine. I don't know why. And this one, it probably works well. I guess I made something wrong, or I didn't install something, but you need a lot of stuff. Like, you really need the OpenCV, you need Boost, and I mean, my software is just, you just need the .NET 4 framework, and that's all, and a Windows machine or a Linux machine with Vine or whatever. So right here I have the positive pictures. You can see that they have some some kind of, you know, file name. But when I start the software, if I have a pause folder, if I have something different, you will have to open, you know, the folder yourself. But if you have it pause, it will load it itself now. So what you will have to do here in order to create the orange file, so you will have to basically just drag and drop, select the object. This could be really anything, I mean a car, whatever you want to do. So you just select the object. You can see here the remaining pictures, all pictures, and the processed picture by you. If you close the software, so basically you select the area and press the space key. Sorry, forgot to tell you this. Now I have 11 images left. If I close the software and I start it again, you will see that it skipped 8 images because I already processed 8 images. So basically what the space key does when I press it, it's just renaming the file. Check this one. Now if I press the space key, you will see a different file name. So this is basically the X, Y, and width and height of the object in the picture. So once you do this with all of them, you don't really, actually it's better to do it for all your objects as good as you can. You will see done. When you get this message, the orange.info file is also created, and you will see all the coordinates. Basically it just took from the file name, which was already renamed by the software. This is just so that, you know, it will start from where it left. So let's say that let's delete these pictures and copy them again. You will need a lot of them, so yeah. Now let me just run it again. So let me just delete it. If I click create orange.info, unsaved images, probably invalid file name format, because it doesn't have the, you know, the coordinate stuff. So I should have yeah, nothing in it. But if I process an image like this and click create, we should see one. As you can see, put it right here. So yeah, this is basically what it does. So it's creating you the info file really in a really simple way. I've read something that on, you know, on a forum that OpenCV has something like this, but I've read the documentation and I didn't found it out that easy, you know. So yeah, I just built it. The source code is also available on getterbots.com, so I hope that it will come handy for some of you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.